Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Windy app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, you click on settings here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, just go down here, you keep going down, you come here to show for the weather at such up here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone, that's mean here it's disabled, that's mean it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do, just disable it. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.